Welcome to A's Linguistics. This channel is about all things linguistic. So let's see what we've got today. So what is an interfix? I say, what interfix? Probably never heard it in your course in Introduction to Linguistics. It's not commonly used, but it is a thing, I promise. Interfix, also known as linking element, has no semantic meaning. So it's, infix breaks into the root, like breaking into someone's house. The infix breaks into the root, but the interfix joins two roots together like this. Well, I can tell you an example from English. I can actually ask you a question. What does O mean in speedometer? So O is just there. Because speedo is not a word. I mean, it might be a brand. Somebody just did that, but the speedometer. So what O does is it just links the two roots, like meter and speed. So this is not an infix, it is an interfix. Inter in the sense of in between. So you have it there, folks. So some languages, like Persian, they have a very active interfix a. So in Persian, kam means little, bish means more. And then kamabish is an adverb that means more or less, but it's one word in Persian. So dur means far, so this is an adjective again. But duradur, which is an adverb, means from afar. Sar, it's a noun, which means head or end. And then the word sarasar means throughout, from one end to another. And it's kind of like adverb. And it's also class changing because it changes an adjective or a noun into an adverb. Let's go to one of our favorite languages, German, in which the word Schwan, or some of its variations, means swan. Okay, and then Gesang means song, or maybe, I don't know, this could be, yeah, Gesang. But then when you mix the two words, you want to say swan song or swan song. So you would expect to say Schwangesang, right? But in German, often when you want to connect two nouns, you need an interfix that connects them. It's like a glue. And in this case, you use this glue, en. So it doesn't have any clear semantic content to it, but you need it. You cannot say Schwangesang. You have to say Schwanengesang. And that's not the only interfix in German, because, Volk in German means people, or in English we have a similar word, folk. But then we also have Wagen in German, which means car. If you want to say people car or people's car, you don't say Volkswagen. You need an interfix, which is Volkswagen. Another example, lieb. The root lieb in German means love, and then the word brief means letter. So you would expect love letter to be Liebbrief, but that's not the case. It is Liebesbrief. A language very close to German, Norwegian, Arbeit means work, Rom means room. Arbeit Rom should be workroom, but it's Arbeitsraum. You need this glue, you need this interfix. Another language with a different alphabet, the word for locomotive in Russian becomes parovoz. So it comes from par means steam, and then voz means cart. So it means steam cart. So it should become parvoz, but there is an O here, parovoz.
Thanks for your time and attention, and see you again soon.